ladies and gentlemen, I am sitting with three lovely ladies who do frying, flying and flaying.
That was good.
Alright, anyway, so coming back to my question, being a girl is also an advantage in many ways. Like, for instance, it's easy to talk to your bosses, you get things done, and I'm talking out of my own experience. You do, like when you go out and you're probably in, like wherever you are, you know, don't have to, as much as a man takes time to reach that position, you would reach a little faster because you can talk your way through that. Is there anything like that?
No, I mean I've never been that lucky, you know, that I had to get away in the easy way. But no, I don't think so. I mean, where I work, I think there's an equality of sexes. You can say women and men have to do the same kind of work. So I've never had the good fortune of, you know, not doing something or, you know, getting the easy way out.
Have you?
No, I don't think so.
As Megha said, I do agree with whatever she said, because I also fly. For us, they don't put roster us like a girl and a boy. How we have our flights rostered, both are pilots only. And how they roster is, okay, this captain is available, this first officer is available. Then they roster. They don't see we should put a girl and a boy. So they both are considered as equals only.
Okay.
So in my field, they don't see it's a girl, boy. The difference is not there much, and not.
No, I'm asking you whether if there is an advantage in any sort of way, because you're a woman.
Maybe a little, but not too much. I mean,
Maybe you do a mistake, they might not scold you the way they will scold you a guy.
oh no. I think I have experienced enough of that. But
We're using the words.
Yeah,
different
maybe,
words,
yeah, that way.
I mean,
Yeah.
You know, the scolding will be there, but then
Okay, but they're not like
initial stage,
bashful. Yeah. Okay.
That is not.
Okay. What about you? Is there an advantage?
I would say that in the beginning there is, because obviously in DJing, if you have a girl DJ, then it adds to the glamour. You know? It's always good to see a girl behind the console. But everything in the end boils down to how you play.
Okay.
So, you know, at the end it boils down how you play. If you play badly, then you might get a show or two, and then after that no one calls you.
Right.
So at the end of it, the competition then becomes equal eventually.
So are you ready to give up what you have become today with great difficulty?
Never. I think even after marriage, I can never sit at home because I mean I try. Even during vacations, I need to do something. I'm like a really adventurous and outgoing person, so I need to do some kind of an adventure. I can't just sit at home and, you know, I can't be that. So even after marriage, I think I'll continue what.
Okay, you come from the way you talk. You come from a very conventional family. You have not. It looks like you have never broken a rule that is in the house. You've been the good girl, the good daughter, and you know. So, will you ever go against like if your parents? I'm sure you will not go against your parents when they fix your arranged marriage with somebody who earns more than you. But if he puts,
That's the norm.
now it'll be difficult to find for sure unless you find a pilot.
I don't want to get into aviation.
Yeah. So you want somebody from a different field. So
But why do you not want to do it?
Not where it's kind of conventional also.
okay.
Thing is, see, both are working as pilots. We'll have a different time. Who's going to look after the family?
But otherwise, even if he's working and you're a pilot, anyway, who's going to look after the family?
No,
Because
that
you'll be
time,
going late
the
nights.
timings, see, his time now both are pilots. We won't be there in the house itself for continuous 2-3 days or something. But if one is working, you know, in like a day job, one is going out of town, somebody's there to take care of the house.
But
I don't mean that he sits always and like, it's just a given.
You sit at home and I sit.
No, that's not.
Okay.
No, it's just a given.
Okay.
And moreover, you marry somebody from the same profession. This is my
Perspective,
you know?
okay.
You marry somebody from the same profession. You are in a small world, you know, your friend circle, all that will be into aviation only. It won't go outside that. So it's like profession and a personal life. You should keep a balance between them. So your life will be better.
Okay.
Oh my, she's like thought about it so
She
much.
has planned her life.
life.
I have never met a more planned woman in my life. Like planned. This is how it's going to be, and this is the truth. It's not going to change. All right, we're gonna go and take a little break, and when you come back, we have a few more questions to ask each other. Be right back after this.